You can't imagine
Wait,
how
wait. Sorry, excuse me. I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me, Chad. Oh, it is Hogsmeade. Oh, sorry, chat. My allergies. I apologize to everyone watching. Sorry. Oh, pardon me, chat. Excuse me. Oh, don't worry. I'll wipe the snot on my trackies. Us together, all these slap fighters, and at the end of the week they fight each other and they see who wins. At the end there's like $300,000 prize, stuff like that, you know. Sorry chat, my allergies really bad.
Walnut one then.
Bro, come on.
I feel like that couldn't be a better trio. So.
No, that's pretty lit.
Damn.
That's pretty crazy. Hey.
Oh, you've lost it. Patronus.
I want to see what rat means.
Revelio.
Sorry, my allergies. Bro, I can't with this fucking cape, bro.
It's alright, no, it's alright.
Oh, way too high.
It should be over, maybe.
That was possible.
And it got the minerals to be supported like that.
1 minute remaining. Sneezing. This is the worst time to sneeze.
You gotta maybe touch it. You stop sneezing. Touch the fucking floor. We actually need to make a move.
You're gonna have to back it up.
Oh.
Oh yeah. So I think I gotta invite you to trade. Yeah. What?
Piece of chicken just
This
flew out of my mouth.
feature has been.
Oh no. Damn, that was a play.
I was AFK.
Help me.
It's cool that like we could find one ranked playlist where we're all the same ranks. So,
Ladies, gentlemen, okay, I've got a little bit of a surprise. The haircut is very intense, so maybe I don't reveal. Oh, bless me, Chad. Oh, sorry, I've got a really delicate sneeze. You know, I got a really delicate. Sneeze. You know what I'm saying, bro? Sorry about that, y'all. Sorry about that. People still use the charge rifle like crazy, or not really anymore? Humana. Lord! Bless you, child. No, bless you guys.
I didn't get a free breath of air, man. This is very overwhelming. Just horrible. Can't hardly stand the smell of it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's kind of cool that you can, like, run up this structure and do it, you know? Pardon me. Pardon me. Excuse me, please. Sorry. Thanks for the fish, dog. No, bless you, may you also have a blessed day. Fulfilled, but also it's cool playing permadeath. Like, if I die here, like... Please excuse me. It's a very cool challenge, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Is this where we sit?
No, to
Hey,
do
hang on. We didn't go the way that... Oh, wait, yeah, you did. I'm going the wrong way. It's me.
Oh, you just walked past one. You just walked past one.
Wait, did we say 2:30? Menu music got me like, oh my god, Marcus.